Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 1 of batch job costing, job costing of CMA Inter Cost Accounting. Please read the questions here. Look at here. Illustration number 1. A newly appointed cost accountant, you find the selling price of job these. You have to find the selling price of job these have been calculated on the basis of you have to calculate on the basis of this. That is, material is going to use 12.08, direct wages 22 hours at the rate of 25 paisa per hour. Department A, B, C are given here, and direct wages for this is given at the rate of 0.25 per hour. Okay, and this is 5.50. Prime cost is this plus 33% on the prime cost is this. An analysis of the previous year profit and loss accounts shows the following. This is the previous year loss accounted informations are given in this case. Previous year informations are given this. Okay. You are required to calculate and enter the revised cost using the previous year's figures. You have to calculate all the information of this 9669 on the basis of previous year information. On the basis of previous year information, it means you have to calculate factory overhead rate on the basis of previous year data. The factory overhead rate is calculated on direct labor hours. Direct labor hours. Okay. Now I'm going to start the solution here. Working note first. Calculation of factory overhead recovery rate on the basis of direct labor hour on the basis of direct labor hour on the basis of direct labor hour. Look at wages per hour rupees 0.25. In this case, this is the particular look at it. Department A, Department B, Department C. Wages direct, look at it. In this case, labor hour is not given. Labor hour can be calculated on the basis of wages per hour is given here. Wages per hour, and previous year wages given to A department, B department, C department is given 5,000, 6,000, 4,000. The direct wages you can write here. Direct wages 5,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Wages per hour rupees 0.25, rupees 0.25, rupees 0.25. Labor hour 5,000 divided by 0.25, 6,000 divided by 0.25, 4,000 divided by 0.25. 20,000 hours, 20,000, 24, 24,000, and this is 16,000. Okay, thereafter previous year factory overhead. This factory overhead are given previous year 25,000, 40,000, thousands, 25,000, 2,500 previous year, 2,500, 4,100, 4,100, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. This 2,500, 4,000, 4,000, 1,000. Okay. Now factory overhead rate you need to calculate. So what will be the rate in this case? Please try to understand. 25,000, 2,500 labor cost is incurred for labor hours 20,000, for labor hour 20,000. This is rupees 125 rate. There 4,000 labor factory overhead for 24,000 labor hours, for 24,000 labor hours. This is 0.167. This is 1,000 factory overhead. This on 16,000. This is 0.063. This is the factory overhead rate. This is calculated factory overhead rate. Okay. Now in this question, on the basis of given factory overhead of previous year and on the basis of labor wages, we have calculated labor hours, and factory overhead rate is calculated. Factory overhead rate is calculated on the basis of labor hour, on the basis of labor hour. Okay. Now depth department, now you can calculate the wages, you can calculate on the basis of these hours. Factory overhead calculated rate you have calculated using these hours, and you can calculate now on the basis of selling cost. Selling cost, what is the percentage of selling cost on the work cost, that you have to calculate. Now working note second, working note second, calculation of percentage of selling cost on the basis of work cost. Work cost, percentage of selling cost on the basis of work cost. Look at in this question, please try to understand. In this case, material is given here, direct wages is given here, factory overheads are given here, cost, work cost can you calculate. Thereafter 30,000 selling cost is given. After calculating selling cost, you can find the what is the percentage of selling cost on the basis of work cost. Using this, you can apply to calculate selling price of the job 9669. Okay. Material used, rupees 77,500. Direct wages, look at here, what is the direct wages here? In this case 5,000, plus 6,000 plus 4,000. 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000. This is the 15,000. Prime cost, prime cost 92,500. Add factory overhead. Factory overhead. This is also given here. 2,500, 4,000, 1,000. 2,500, 4,000, 1,000. This is 7,500. Factory cost, or this is also said to be works cost, 1 lakh. Selling overhead, selling cost, 30,000. Selling cost percentage on work cost, that is 30,000 selling cost, 1 lakh into this is a 30%. Now you have calculated on the basis of past data how to calculate factory overhead. Factory overhead rate you have calculated. Selling cost on work cost percentage you have calculated. Now you can make the cost sheets and selling price. Okay, what is the question now? Look at it. On the basis of this, calculate and enter the revised cost using the previous year figures on the basis as a basis. So what basis you have to calculate, that you have already drawn. Okay, then the first part answer is answer of A parts. A part, factory overhead rate for A. Factory overhead rate rupees 0.125 per labor hour. B, rupees 0.167 per labor hour. C, rupees 0.063 per labor hour. Thereafter, you have to, this is the factory overhead. Factory overhead rate. Selling cost percentage on work cost. We have calculated 30,000, 1 lakh into 100. This is a 30%. Okay. Thereafter, what is the question in this case? Draw up the cost sheet. Draw up a cost sheet. Add the total job cost 10% profit on the given final selling price. 10% job cost, 10% for profit, 10% profit you have to calculate. So now answer of B part and C part can be given in one table. Answer of B or C. Calculation of cost sheet and selling price. Cost sheet and selling price. Okay. Material cost given in this case, which is job? This is the material cost. Okay, labor cost is calculated by this 0.05, 0.25 on the basis of this. Factory overhead is calculated as per information calculated given rupees 12.08. Add direct wages A, B, C 10 into 0.25, 10 into 0.25, that is 10 into 0.25, 4 into 0.25, now 8 into 0.25, this is 2.5 rupees 1, rupees 2, so this will be 5.50. Now prime cost, after adding this you will get 17.58. Add factory overhead, department A, B, C, this is the 10 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, into. What is the factory overhead? 0.125, 0.167, 0.063, 0.125, 0.125, 0.167, 0.063, this is 1.25, 0.67, 0.50, this is 2.42. This is your work cost. 2.2020. Add selling cost, 30% of work cost. This is already calculated here. Selling cost is 30% of work cost. 30%. This is rupees 6. Cost of sale, you have 26. Cost of sale is 26. Profit, 10% of 26, 2.6. Selling price, what will be the selling price? This is rupees 28.60, 28.60. This you had to make. That this is one of the good questions. First you had to calculate factory overhead rate, selling overhead cost on the basis of work cost, and then you have to make cost sheet and selling price. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.